I'm telling you, most of the miracles that we have experienced in our lives have been slow motion miracles. And if the truth be told, it's not just enough to say that the miracles we have experienced are slow motion miracles. Somebody needs to confess that I am a slow motion miracle. Turn to your neighbor and say, neighbor, I don't know about you, but I am a slow motion miracle. That's what I am. Because when I think about what I used to be and what I am now, it took God a long time to get me there, but I'm a slow motion miracle. When I think about what I used to have and what I have right now, slow motion miracle. When I think about what I used to think and how I used to think and how I think right now, slow motion miracle. When I think about how I used to spend my time and how I spend my time right now, slow motion miracle. It took God a minute to get me straight.